Once again, Mayor Rushmore is dead.
Well,
Police are not revealing any information.
Finished Watch
The
Dogs.
leaked documents found extensive corruption and deep ties between the mayor and the Chicago South Club leader,
It
Lucky
was
Quinn.
insane.
Did the mayor kill himself over this exposure? Or was he executed?
Another one of those games
Bloom
that'll make you
Director of
feel.
Public Relations, Charlotte Gardner, has issued a statement regarding the recent CTOS
Just
troubles.
like Mass Effect.
We knew all along that our CTOS network would be a target for hackers of all strengths
in a
and
completely
skills.
different way.
It's been an excellent proving ground to demonstrate
That's all
how
I'm gonna
robust
say.
our system really is. We're so pleased with the results. Our firewall security
I don't know
repelled
what else
the
to say.
worst of the attacks, and in some cases, trip switches closed the systems off before any access could be gained. Your personal information remains secure. Our CTOS network is restored to full operations.
It's
In a world where we want to spend more time with loved ones, be active in our communities, have safer, healthier homes and cities, Bloom Industries listen to you and your needs. We are embarking on a global journey. We want the world to be a community. CTOS 2.0, focusing on you, putting you on the global stage.
I just can't believe
CTOS 2.0,
what all happened in this game.
even smarter. Up next, an interview with a woman who claims to know the vigilante, Aiden Pierce.
Renowned child psychologist Yolanda Mendez is with
You
us.
never played it?
Dr. Mendez,
You
your
shouldn't.
story is extraordinary. You actually know Aiden Pierce, the man we know as the vigilante. Tell us how that came
That's
about.
crazy.
I met Mr. Pierce through the family, his sister.
This was a surprise to us. We couldn't find any information about him at all. It's great that you've come forward. You were treating her son
I just
for
don't know.
trauma?
Yes, well, naturally, I can't discuss any of that. Not even their names.
No. We wouldn't ask you to. But that's how you met Aiden Pierce.
It's crazy.
What's he like?
It's impossible to say for certain what he's really like. He masks his personality, and he's very good at it.
Is he?
He isn't like someone playing poker. This is a very smart man who is looking to gain the upper hand in every situation.
And you're writing a book.
Yes, I am. It's a book about the whole experience, a study on Mr. Pierce. I really wanted to explore this complex man's mind.
I'm sure it'll be a fascinating read. Dr. Mendez, thank you.
It's another game that'll make you feel just like Mass Effect. I had said that, but
DeadSec has had enough. Our warnings have fallen on deaf ears. Our reputation has been attacked by weaklings such as Default. Heed our final warning. There will be a reckoning. We are vigilant against the Watchers. We are capable. We are unstoppable. We are at war.
And as the search continues for the vigilante known as the Fox, top brass in the Chicago Police Department are urging city and state governments to allow stricter penalties against those who
okay,
commit
that's actual
crimes in the
footage
name
from
of
my
law and order. Anyone who
gun
follows in the
from
Fox's footsteps
what I did.
will, quote, be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law.
But either way,
Chicago still reeling from the shocking revelations of Rose Washington's murder and Mayor Rushmore's subsequent death, there has been little appetite for politics or elections. One name that's been floated about is Bloom's VP of Communications, Charlotte Gardner. Her supporters insist Ms. Gardner will restore integrity and trust to a city that sorely needs it.
I just can't believe how this game ended.
City officials are picking up the pieces from the shocking chaos brought on by a massive CTOS malfunction. The city experienced major power outages, bridge disruptions, and thousands of dollars in damages. While CTOS is back online, many are raising questions about the safety features needed to run a complex system in a major city.
It's T-Bone's thing. Hopefully I unlock something new at the end of the credits. And I really hope that I do, but there really isn't anything for me to say. I can't say much because I don't want to spoil anything for anybody if they want to get the game. and I recommend it a lot. But I'm gonna cut this for the end of the credits.